Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Nessa's World. So today is for my J1 peeps. Yeah, your girl been looking out for you guys. But if you're new, don't you forget to hit the subscription button. Then you hit the notification bell. Then you comment down below. Let me know that you did all of that so that you can be shouted out on my next video. And if you're old, welcome back. Thank you for always supporting your girl. Thank you for always commenting. Thank you for always liking. And thank you for always watching. Thank you guys. Nessa's World. I know there is a lot of person that miss the opportunity of going on the work and travel program this year. And I just want to tell you that all hope is not lost. And there is a agency that's still recruiting. I think there may be more, but I'm just talking for the one that I am sure of, and that's my agency. So if it is that you have missed the ship, or missed the boat, or missed Titanic, well, Titanic sinks, so it makes no sense to do the comparison there. But if you understand what I'm saying, if you miss the boat, you never have the money in time, you never have all your documents. Alright, so since week, I went to my agency. As I tell you, this is a new agency, right? And I went to them, with you guys in mind. So I know a lot of person may not had the opportunity to go and sign up. Maybe you didn't have the funds, you didn't have the documents, you just never know what to do. Say that section, like that area passed you. So you lost out hope in going on the work and travel program because majority of the, not saying majority, all of the agency has closed off like from November. Yeah, if not December. But I have some exciting news for you. Yeah, so I went to my agency and I inquired some information, because I know you guys want to know. So if it is that you want to go on the program and you think it's too late, it's not too late. No, with you signing up for this program at this time, you know that you will have some requirements. First, you will need to have all of your documents from school. And I should assume if you had planned to go on the program with someone else, you would already gotten most of these documents already. And you will also need all of your program fee. And as I said, if you're planning to go with someone else, then you should have this money already, or yeah. And yeah, you have, I don't know when they're going to stop taking people, but I know as of present they are still taking people, but you just need to pay up front and have most of your documents, if not all of your documents, available, and they will do a job placement. And I also know there are some agency that has not yet given the students their job. Like some students don't get to pick their job, like I don't know what, but if it is that you want to jump over, jump over. And I am not getting paid for this. It's just me looking out for you guys and me wanting, if I was in your shoes, I would want someone to do this for me too. So I'm just sowing a good seed, hoping that one day I will reap, in whatever area, whatever I choose to do in life. If it is that you want to jump ship and come on over, you can do that. Honestly, by now you should be getting your job, you should be getting the job description, you should be getting everything so that you can prepare your mind, mental state and all those stuff. And it's almost time. Like you literally have what, February, March, April, May. Literally have like less than 4 months to leave the country if you're going on the work and travel program. And you have to go to the embassy, and embassy visit is like between March and February. So you need to know where they're placing you. So if it is that you have not received any job and you're considering to look a different agency, and then you lost all hope, and you know, you decided that you're not going on the program anymore, then don't worry, I have something for you. Yeah, you know, as always, I always try to help people, and I went to my agency and I was just questioning them, asking them a lot of questions, because you know, I want to be able to answer you guys whenever you guys throw questions at me. And one of the main questions that I asked was that, are you recruiting people still? And their answer was yes. You just need to have everything, like your money. So if it is that you want to jump on over, come on over, you know, come on over. And the sponsor that I'm using, as I told you in previous videos, are Steep International. So you guys can go and call them up. You can go to the office. The office is on Olo Road. So you can go and check them out, and I'll link, you know, the information in the comments, in the description box down below. So, you know, go and check them out. Don't wait too late, because, you know, for everything you have a close off date. So, go on over. Don't get discouraged. You know, maybe there is a chance, there is hope. So, you guys need to go check them out. And this video is not supposed to be long. This video is just to tell you and to let you know that Steep International is still recruiting people. So, you can go on over. And then when you go over there, just tell them that Vanessa, yeah, Vanessa, yeah, tell them that Vanessa sends you, yeah. And the shout out for this week is Adrina Evans and Janelle. But yeah, going over to their page, let them know that I shout them out. You know, just give them some love, and you know, if they have a page, go and watch their videos or go like them. You know, just shout them out, you know, tell them hi, tell them how they do. But yeah, that's the shout out for this week. Adrina, I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right. It's Adrina Evans and Janelle, but yeah.